ProGuard versus R8. Hey there! Today we're going to talk about ProGuard versus R8, two tools that help make Android apps smaller, faster, and harder to reverse engineer. Why did Android switch from ProGuard to R8? What's the difference? And when did R8 officially replace ProGuard? To make it simple, imagine your app is a big book and you need to pack it into the tiny box to ship it faster. ProGuard, the slower packer who removes unused pages. Before R8, Android developers used ProGuard to shrink and optimize their apps. Imagine you wrote a huge book filled with important and unimportant information. Before sending it to someone, you want to remove unnecessary pages, empty sections, duplicate content, or notes that don't add value. That's what ProGuard does. It removes unused code, gets rid of unnecessary pages, shrinks app size, packs the book into a smaller format, obfuscates code, changes variable names so hackers can't easily read it. But here is the problem. ProGuard wasn't built for modern Android apps. It was slow and worked separately from the Android compiler, making the whole build process take longer. R8, the fast packer who does everything at once. Then came R8, which completely replaced ProGuard in Android. Imagine you now have a professional book packer who not only removes unnecessary pages, but also rewrites entire sections to be more efficient, all while printing the book at the same time. That's what R8 does. Unlike ProGuard, R8 works inside the Android compiler, making it much faster, shrinks, optimizes, and obfuscates all in one step. Creates smaller and more efficient apps. Think of R8 as a built-in ProGuard on steroids. When did Android switch to R8? Google introduced R8 in Android Studio 3.4, April 2019, as an alternative to ProGuard. Then in Android Studio 3.6, February 2020, R8 became the default tool, completely replacing ProGuard. Now, whenever you enable code shrinking and obfuscation, you're using R8, not ProGuard, even if your config file is still called ProGuard Rules Pro. In a summary, ProGuard before 2019, the slow packer who removes unnecessary pages but it takes extra time. R8, Android Studio 3.6 and later, the first packer who optimizes and shrinks everything in one go. This is all from me for today. Thank you for watching and bye!